Have you ever tried taking just 1 tablespoon of olive oil first thing in the morning? I know, it sounds strange, right? But it might be one of the simplest habits you can add to your day, and the benefits can be surprisingly powerful. Most people think olive oil is just for salads or cooking. But when you take it on an empty stomach, it does something entirely different. Inside your body, this golden liquid begins to support systems you probably don't even think about. And if you give it a chance, just 1 spoon every morning, it can quietly start to transform your health in ways you may not expect. For starters, it helps your digestion. Seriously. That 1 tablespoon in the morning helps wake up your digestive system in a gentle way. It gets your liver producing bile, it helps your intestines move things along more smoothly, and for a lot of people, it completely changes how they feel throughout the day. Less bloating, more regular bathroom visits, and that annoying heavy feeling in your stomach? It often just fades away. And what's amazing is, it doesn't act like a harsh laxative or anything. It's smooth, natural, and nourishing. A lot of people who deal with constipation or slow digestion say they start to feel lighter and more balanced after just a few days. It's one of those little changes that creates a big ripple effect. But that's just the beginning. Taking olive oil every morning also supports your heart. It's rich in monounsaturated fats. Those are the good fats, the kind your body loves. These fats help lower your bad cholesterol and increase the good kind, which is great news for your arteries. And beyond that, olive oil contains antioxidants that help protect your blood vessels and reduce inflammation, which is one of the root causes of heart disease. There's something really empowering about knowing that a simple habit, something so basic, can help support your heart health long-term. No medications, no complicated routines. Just nature doing what it does best. And speaking of inflammation, let's talk about that for a moment. Because honestly, inflammation is like this invisible threat. It's connected to so many health problems, from joint pain and arthritis to even things like diabetes and autoimmune issues. But olive oil? It actually contains a natural compound called oleocanthal. It's so effective, scientists say it works similarly to ibuprofen, but naturally and without side effects. So if you wake up with stiff joints or you feel sore, or just a bit off more often than not, this simple morning ritual might actually help your body calm down, reset, and heal from the inside out. And here's something people don't always expect: your skin and hair can benefit too. Because when you nourish your body from within, it shows on the outside. Olive oil is packed with vitamin E and other antioxidants that protect your skin cells from damage. People often report a more even skin tone, fewer breakouts, and even stronger, shinier hair. It's funny how we spend money on expensive creams and serums when something as simple as olive oil might help just as much, if not more. And remember, this isn't about applying it on your face or hair. This is just by taking it internally, once a day. Now, let's go deeper, because it even supports your liver. And that's your body's main detox organ. Olive oil helps stimulate your liver gently, encouraging it to flush out toxins more efficiently. Some people even pair it with lemon juice in the morning for an extra boost. While research in this area is still growing, early findings show that olive oil can reduce oxidative stress in liver cells and support enzyme function. It's like giving your liver a little help to do what it already wants to do: protect you. And what about weight loss? You're probably thinking, how can fat help me lose fat? But here's the thing: healthy fats like olive oil actually help you feel full. That's key. When you start your day with a tablespoon of olive oil, you're giving your body slow-burning fuel. You feel satisfied longer, which helps reduce those random cravings later in the day. Plus, it helps regulate your blood sugar, which plays a huge role in how your body stores fat, or burns it. It won't melt fat overnight, but as part of a balanced lifestyle, this tiny habit could support your efforts in a surprisingly big way. But here's the part one find most fascinating: it may even protect your brain. Studies show that regular consumption of olive oil is linked to improved memory, better cognitive function, and even a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. The healthy fats nourish brain cells, while the antioxidants reduce the kind of damage that can affect your memory and focus over time. Think about that. Just 1 spoonful a day, potentially helping to keep your mind sharp as you age. That's powerful. Now, before you start this habit, there's one important thing you need to know. Not all olive oil is the same. To get the real benefits, you need high-quality, extra virgin olive oil. Look for cold-pressed, organic if possible, and always stored in a dark glass bottle. The cheaper oils, especially the ones labeled light or refined, have been stripped of most of their nutrients. And please, don't overdo it. More isn't better. 1 tablespoon a day is all you need. Taking more could actually upset your stomach or throw off your digestion. So, if you're looking for a simple, natural, and science-backed way to support your health, maybe this is it. It's easy, it's affordable, and it only takes a few seconds every morning. 1 tablespoon. That's all. If you've ever tried this before, or you're thinking about starting, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your experience, or your questions. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new